Go. How'd you do that?
Step on the scissors.
I'll go wash it. Go. How'd you do that?
What could be sweeter than you? I want to. I want to. I want to. I want to.
What's up, you guys? We're back at it with 13 Nights of Halloween. Today's activity, it's not so much Halloween, but it's more like fall related. So we're going to make our own wreath to go on our door.
What's a wreath?
A wreath. So we got all this stuff here to like put it all together onto that and make our own wreath.
It's about to be lit.
He's not really gonna be doing too much. This is more my forte.
Yeah, I'm about to just be supervising.
That's okay though. He's still gonna be here. We're still gonna be spending time.
Supervise.
He's gonna support me. Alright, baby, let's get it on.
So while Babe is doing her thing, I'm about to do my thing. And play some music. Like I said, just here for supervision, moral support.
Supervision.
To make sure all things are well.
Sure.
Don't be creature. Just in case you guys are looking at me saying, does he have a HP? It's my work computer, so.
Hey, people probably have HP.
I'm the Mac family. What's that?
People probably have HP. Yeah, but Johnny over here has freaking 3 laptops.
Yeah.
He has 2 MacBooks and then this one. Like, what the heck?
Even though if y'all play.
No. Okay, let's see. How we gonna do this, baby? Ah! It's not sharp.
Yeah.
What we gonna do? Okay. Start out with these. Can you see the scissors? The other scissors that are in the drawer over there? But you ain't even doing nothing.
See me playing a game,
You
yo!
ain't even playing right now!
Come on, yo!
Oh my goodness.
What scissors you want, yo?
The ones in that drawer right there. The real scissors.
These.
Yeah.
You okay? You cut yourself?
Look at my skin
How'd you
right
do
there.
You okay?
Look at my skin.
Go wash it. Go. How'd you do
Step on
that?
the scissors.
I'll go wash it. Go. How'd you do that? How'd you do that?
I like was cutting something on the
Come on, just be careful.
Battle wounds.
So how in the world did you cut yourself?
Because I was holding like this and it slipped.
You don't do that. First of all, your fingers are never supposed to be next to the blade.
Okay, sorry. We're back, y'all. I'm okay. I have Band-Aids. I'm okay. I think I am done. I am done. What do you guys think? Cute?
Good. Good.
I think it's too much. Like going too much. Alright, y'all. So I finished. This is what it looks like. P for Parker, you know. And then it says welcome. Think it looks okay? Let me know y'all thoughts. Okay, you guys, I added these little like pine cones. I think it looks cute. I think it fills up some space. I think it looks cute. I don't know though. Do you still think it looks a little busy? Babe, you think it looks a little busy? Think it looks good? Okay, I believe you. Thanks, baby. Hey. And just letting you guys know, making this was like maybe 30 bucks total, everything. Including this part, like that was only like $4. And this was the most expensive thing. Everything else was literally $1 each. So, save yourself some money. Just buy yourself one. I mean, don't buy yourself one. Make yourself one.